Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at the new 36mm version of the Christopher Ward C63 Sealander. I already reviewed the 39mm GMT version and loved it. You can check that video out by clicking on the link in the corner of the screen. With the 36mm version, they cater to smaller wristed people or ones that simply like smaller watches, like myself. The good thing about it is the very short lug-to-lug of only 43. That means that no matter how small your wrist is, even the T-shaped end link on the bracelet version will not overhang your wrist. Also, the proportions on the 39 version were excellent, but on this, they seem even better. The lineup will consist of a regular production black and white dial options and the colorful limited edition that will come in green, red, Tiffany blue, and this striking yellow. I think we all know where they got their inspiration from for the colored ones. The colored ones will be limited to 200 pieces each, but surprisingly the price is the same for all variants, going from $765 for any version on a brown leather strap and up to $925 for the bracelet version. Each variant comes with color-matched strap as well. If you're thinking about getting one of the colored ones, I would advise you to go for the bracelet version, as these color-matched straps make it a bit too playful, and to be honest, the watch looks and feels like a lady's watch. I think the bracelet would add a bit more seriousness and make it more sporty. As for the watch itself, I love it. The case is the same Lightcatcher case found on other Sealander and Aquitaine models, making Christopher Ward seem like Rolex that uses pretty much the same case or nearly the same case shape for all its models. In this case, I have nothing against it, as it is a thing of beauty. Brushed on top and sides with polished bevels that separate them, it looks both modern and timeless. It really works as a sports watch or a dressy watch, depending on the dial and strap configuration. The dial is also lovely with familiar markers and hands that I love as well. Markers are brushed with the inner ends polished, and the hands are some of the most legible I have seen. Clearly distinguishable hour and minute hands that are long enough, thick enough, and with a mix of brushing and polishing, look beautiful as well. The yellow is pretty striking in person, although the strap has a slightly darker shade, more like mustard compared to the dial that is a pure road sign yellow. Regardless of the difference, I love the look as it makes the watch stand out and doesn't hurt the legibility. The movement used is the same as on most of their models, a Sellita SW220, which beats away 28,800 bph, comes with both hacking and hand winding, and has a 38-hour of power reserve. With 150 meters of water resistance and a screw-in crown, this truly becomes a go-anywhere watch, at least when you have it on the bracelet. This is the first non-smartwatch that my wife liked immediately, and chances are I will have to be ordering one, but in red. With this, Christopher Ward did go the easy route by jumping on the bandwagon of Rolex Oyster Perpetual, but who can blame them? They still made it their own, screaming their DNA, and if you follow my channel, you know I always praise companies that dare create a popular model in smaller sizes, so they get a pass from me. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.